Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is an Antutu benchmark comparison between the Xiaomi Mi 9 against the Xiaomi Mi 9. So both of the phones have the Snapdragon 855 CPU, 6GB of RAM versus 8, and the rest of the specs you can see on the sides. Will the additional 2GB of RAM make any difference? Let's find out in this video. So the 8GB model finished first by about 2 seconds, and overall it scored higher. Now in the breakdown of the categories, the 8GB model scored higher for the CPU and the GPU, then the 6GB model scored higher for the UX, and strangely also higher for the memory. So that is the end of this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And like always, thanks for watching. and I will catch up with you in the next video.